Hi, I'm Rochelle from Sunbury Local Businesses, and today I'm with Michael and Anthony from Sage Business Group. How are you guys?
Very well. Great, thanks, Rochelle.
That's good. Michael, I haven't seen you for ages.
I have been on a couple of weeks holiday, but I'm back into it now.
Cool. And Anthony, this is the first time I've actually met you here.
That's correct, yeah. That's taken over the small business workshop, so it's
Awesome.
a new thing to me, and working with Michael in regards to this.
Okay, so talking about the business workshops, what do you actually do in those? What are they all about? Can you tell me about that, Michael?
Sure. The Small Business Workshop came about because we do have a lot of people wanting to start their own business, and we were concerned about the stats. 3 to 4 out of 5 businesses failing in the first few years, and that's not good for the economy, and that's not good for the community. So we thought, well, if we're going to really truly live into our core purpose of educating our clients and creating lasting financial security, then running these workshops are crucial. If we can alleviate some of the statistics of businesses failing and create more sustainable and scalable business that employment's got to be good for the community. Absolutely. So that was the driving force behind creating these workshops.
And I know right in front of us, and Michael, we have spoken about these before, so it's actually cool to actually see them. There are 7 hats?
No,
10 hats.
10 hats.
Oh gosh, I got that right.
That's all right. Sometimes it feels like there's a lot more than 10 hats, but they're the hats that as small business owners we need to know about. Yep. And Anthony does actually go through those 10 hats in the sessions. It's not to scare people, but it's just to create an awareness to say you need to know about those. So if you don't have the skill set, then you can go and find someone who has got that skill set.
So Anthony, tell me, we've got all of these amazing colourful hats right in front of us. Can you tell me a couple of the ones that you find people really struggle with?
Okay, so we might look, for example, marketing. They might have an understanding of their business, but how do they promote and advertise a business and get it out there? In most cases, we know that they know their operations, they know their business, they know itself, but on the other hand, do they know the administration, IT side of the business? Where do they take it to the next step? Do they understand if there's HR issues when we talk about IT? Have they got the appropriate software in place? Mm-hmm. This is once, from these 10 hats, they can learn and go through forward from there.
Yep. And I guess when you start off, you try and wear all of these.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, and as Michael said, as indicated, you might not be able to wear all 10 hats at once. Like you said, sometimes issues might have to be outsourced. Yep. We've got situations where understand what you know the best, and you can work from there, and then we can look and see what we can do for everything else.
So when are they run?
These workshops are run on the first Tuesday of every month from 5:30 onwards, and you can register that on the website sagegroup.com.au and click on the events tab.
Perfect, okay.
And they're free.
They're free, even better. Something for free.
Something for free.
Thank you both for being with us today and sharing that information. I'm sure there'll be lots of businesses who can use your help.
I hope so. We'll help them.